back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to make cute bunny nightgown for Barbie. First, I need a Barbie to measure it. First step, measure the fabrics to the Barbie's body. Make sure it's not too small. Cut the fabric like this. You have to follow the pattern. Ta-da! It looks like this. I'm trying to measure my Barbie's body again. Then, cut the brown fabric like this for the sleeves. Cut the brown fabric and pink fabric like this. Turn the two fabric over and sew the edges. These fabrics I make to make the rabbit's ears. I made this nightgown with a bunny theme because I like cute things. Because I want to make a unique nightgown. Do the same thing to the second fabric. After that, sew and tie the bottom of the pink and brown fabrics like this. Now, sew between the shirt and the sleeves. On the front, you put rabbit ears under a white cloth. Then sew. Look at these bunny ears, very beautiful, isn't it? Oh, it's so cute. I'm about to cry now. Okay, so the one between the shirt and the sleeve on the other side. Then look at it. It's so adorable. Love it. I will try this outfit on my Barbies before taking the next step. Let's make sure first whether the clothes we made earlier fit for our Barbie dolls. Let's make a bunny face on the shirt. Make it have to be with a calm heart so that the rabbit face remains nice. So the neck of the shirt. So of the bottom. And the last step is, let's sew the edges of the shirt. Hooray! Finally it's done! Wait a second. I think the face of this rabbit is very similar to that of a bear. But that's okay, I still like it. I think this looks good. Wow, so cute. Well, that's all from this video. I thank you for watching my video. I hope you are all entertained, and if you are make a nightgown for your Barbie dance inspired by my video, you can tag me on Instagram. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next video, guys. Bye!